God.
What is that?
A dinosaur.
We got dinosaurs. Show Daddy.
Are you recording it?
Wow!
Sorry, what?
Bigger, Mommy.
Oh.
Okay, let's open it up to this. It's this. Oh.
Now, you're the perfect little boy. You know that?
That's mine, but
That's yours. What's in there?
it's mommy's it.
Open it up.
That's mommy's present.
No, that's your present.
Mommy's behind.
What is that?
It's dinosaur puzzles.
Oh, cool. More puzzles. Let me see.
Right. I was on Grammy's.
Yep, that's just like at Grammy's house on the door.
Oh,
My
that's
sister
my
bought him the
present.
same exact
That's my
one.
present.
What is it?
It's car! A car! Okay, let's open that one.
This is enthusiastic about each one. For a minute.
Okay, which one do I open?
What is
What
it,
is
babe?
it?
Ooh, for me?
What is it?
Tell Mommy.
Car!
Are they stickers?
There's other stickers.
You got a bunch of stickers?
Okay, let's open that one.
They were $1.
Oh, wow. Fill out stickers.
I
Oh,
got
I
a Dollar
got-
Tree. You get to color it and
What
put
kind
it
of
on your
dinosaur?
wall?
Oh, you get a color dinosaur.
On my wall. Oh,
Nope, not the big one.
not the big one.
Let's do the little ones.
Open
That's
that one.
mommy's present. I got the blue one.
Knocked it more away. This I got just because he used to play with these things a lot. For Monta.
Oh.
I'm sure you're going to be thinking about
Driving, yeah, he's going to drive you nuts for that.
What is it?
Rip out the paper.
What is it?
Oh,
Oh,
what is that?
Is it a harmonica? Other way. Turn it over.
No, he had it right.
Oh, you do have it right.
it's
No,
not
no.
working.
Here.
Mommy, get it to work.
Mommy,
You get
what are
defunct.
you doing?
I said free harmonica.
Mommy, open up. Mommy, open up.
You want to take that one back?
Get the little
There's
one.
$1 store.
Oh, it was a dollar store?
You can go